The thieves heard this too. Let us keep a watch on this man, said their leader. One of them took up a job at Tenali's house as a servant so that he could spy on them. Children, now the news of riches of Tenali spread in the city. है ना? And thieves also heard this news. So the leader of the thieves said, "We will keep eye on Tenali Rama." क्या कहा लीडर ने कि हम तेनाली रामा पर नजर रखेंगे. So one of the thieves started a job in Tenali Rama's house. Okay, so secretly they want to keep a watch on Tenali Rama and his family's movement. Okay, here is red word spy. Spy means, children, spy means to keep a watch. Okay, yes. So why the one of the servant, one of the thief, क्या हुआ, एक thief उनमें से क्या गया, तेनाली रामा के घर में गया और वहाँ सर्वेंट की तरह काम करने लगा उनके घर में. ओके, ताकि तेनाली रामा और उसकी वाइफ पे नज़र रख सके. यस, Tenali at once knew that this man was a thief. However, he pretended not to know anything. Pretended means, children, pretended means acted in a way so as to trick a person. Yes, so as we know, Tenali is very clever. Yes, he was very clever. Quickly he knew that the new servant is a thief, but he do not show anything. Okay, he do not show anything, that he act in a way that he don't know, nothing he don't know. ये उसे बिल्कुल पता नहीं चला है कि जो न्यू सर्वेंट है वो थीफ है. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से उन्होंने क्या करी, एक्टिंग करी. यस, that night Tenali said to his wife, "We have to keep our money somewhere safe. I have heard that there is a gang of thieves in the city. Let's drop the box of money into the well. It will be safe under the water." Look here in this picture, there is the conversation going on between Tenali Rama and his wife. Okay, so Tenali said to his wife, "We have to keep our money safe," because he heard some news about thieves, कि शहर में क्या आ गए हैं, थीफ आ गए हैं, चोर आ गए हैं, और हमें अपना मनी क्या करना है, सेफ. चिल्ड्रन, दिस वॉज प्लान ओनली. ओके, दिस न्यूज इज नॉट ट्रू, दिस वॉज द रूमर ओनली. ओके, दिस इज द प्लान टू कैच द थीव्स. ओके, so Tenali said to his wife that they have to keep their money safe. And how to keep money safe? He said, "We will drop the box of money into the well, okay, and it will be safe under the water. And whenever it will be needed, whenever they need the money, they will take it out." Okay. But children, when they both were talking, someone was listening their talk. Okay, there was another person. Look in this picture here, this man, this is that new servant. And who is this new servant? Thief, है ना. ये जो thief है, जो new servant बन के उनके घर में आया है, ये इनकी सारी बातें सुन लेता है. Okay, both of them knew that the thief pretending to be a servant was listening to their conversation. Okay, in this picture you can see Tenali and his wife is talking, and a person can be seen listening them. Yes, so Tenali knew very well that the thief is listening their conversation. Okay. So what they have done? Later that night, Tenali and his wife dragged a big wooden box with a huge lock. They lifted the box and dropped it into the well. Then they went back to their house. Children, conversation means talk between two people. Okay, conversation means talk between two people. Okay, and dragged means pulled. Okay, so later that night, at the same night, what Tenali and his wife has done, they pull a big wooden box with a big lock. Okay, they pull the box and lift the box into the water, into the well. Okay, and they went back to their home. Now turn the page. Next day, the servant left Tenali's house to buy vegetables from the market. He went straight to the leader and said, "The plan is working fine. They have hidden the box in the well in their backyard. Come to the house at midnight. We can lift the box out of the well without getting caught." Children, now next day the servant left Tenali's house to buy vegetables from the market. You know who was the servant? Yes, he was a thief. Yes, and now he had to listen the talk of Tenali and his wife. Okay, so this news he want to give to his leader. Yes, because his leader sent him to keep an eye on Tenali. Yes, so what he has done? He pretended that he want to buy vegetables from the market. बहाना बनाकर कि मुझे क्या करना है, मार्केट से वेजिटेबल्स लेने जाना है. ठीक है. He went out from the house and straight he went to the leader. कहाँ गया? सीधे लीडर के पास गया. And said, the plan is working fine. कि जो उनका प्लान था, ठीक है, वो कैसा वर्क कर रहा है? बिल्कुल फाइन वर्क कर रहा है. ओके, आवर प्लान इज वर्किंग परफेक्टली. दे हैड हिडन द बॉक्स इन द वेल इन देयर बैकयार्ड. चिल्ड्रन, बैकयार्ड मीन्स स्पेस एट द बैक ऑफ अ हाउस. घर के जो पीछे का स्पेस होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? बैकयार्ड. ओके, इन विलेजेस वी कैन सी एट बैक पोर्शन ऑफ द हाउस. ठीक है, दैट इज बैकयार्ड. So what news he had given? He said that they have hidden the box in the well in their backyard. Okay, कहाँ रखा है उन्होंने बॉक्स? वेल के अंदर. और वेल कहाँ है? घर के पीछे. Come to the house at midnight. What he is saying? When to come to the house? At the midnight. Okay, रात में, आधी रात में. Okay, you come to the house. We can left the box out of the well without getting caught. Now what he is saying? You come to the house at midnight and no one will caught us and we will take out the box from the well. कोई भी हमें नहीं पकड़ पाएगा और हम क्या कर लेंगे? बॉक्स भी वेल से बाहर निकाल लेंगे. सो यू कम टू द हाउस एट मिडनाइट. दैट नाइट द थीव्स वेंट टू तेनालीज हाउस. द सर्वेंट led them to the backyard that had a beautiful garden of flowering plants and bushes. The well was at the far corner. That's where they have hidden the box, said the servant, pointing to the well. How do we left the box? Asked the leader. Children, as the servant told them to come to the house at midnight, all the thieves went to Tenali house at night. Okay, and the servant led them. Led means lead. Okay, the servant lead them. This is the past form of lead. Okay, the servant lead them to the backyard. Servant कहाँ ले गया उनको? Backyard में, घर के पीछे लेके गया. Okay, that had a beautiful garden of flowering plant and bushes. वहाँ पे क्या था? एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन था जिसमें बहुत ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स थे, बुशेस थे, और एट द कॉर्नर क्या था? वहाँ पे एक वेल था. ओके, द वेल वॉज एट द फार corner. That's where they had hidden the box, said the servant. What the servant said? Servant pointed towards the well and said, there only they put their box in the well. How we will lift the box? Asked the leader. Leader ने क्या कहा कि how we will lift the box, because the box is inside the well and there is water in well. Okay, so how we will lift the box? Now it is heavy box, said the servant. We just have to take out the water. It would be easy to lift the box then. Everyone agreed. Now what the servant said, because servant had seen the big box with the big lock, so servant said that box is very heavy and it is not easy to take out it from the well. So what we have to do, first of all we have to take out the water from the well. क्या करना पड़ेगा? पहले हमें वाटर निकालना पड़ेगा, तभी हम क्या कर सकते हैं? बॉक्स को. Children, do you think why they think that they have to take water first from the well, then only they will take out the box? Because it is very difficult to take out the box when there is water inside the well. Okay, किसी भी चीज़ को वाटर से बाहर निकालने के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है? बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ता है, बहुत ज़्यादा ताकत लगानी पड़ती है. ओके, तो सो इट इज़ नॉट ईजी बिकॉज द बॉक्स इज ऑलरेडी वेरी हैवी. ओके, एंड ड्यू टू द वाटर द बॉक्स विल क्या हो जाएगा? और भी ज़्यादा हैवी हो जाएगा. सो दे हैड अ प्लान. ओके, क्या प्लान था उनका? कि दे विल टेक आउट द वाटर फ्रॉम द वेल फर्स्ट. ओके, कि पहले क्या करेंगे? वाटर को वेल से निकालेंगे. यस, so all are agreed with the plan. Yes, now two thieves started drawing water from the well. Drawing water. Drawing water means, children, drawing water means pulling water out of the well. Okay, now according to the plan, two thieves started pulling water from the well. Look at the picture. See, the thieves are pulling water from the well. Yes, this is the backyard of the house. Okay, and the beautiful garden is here. See the beautiful flowers, tree, bushes. Okay, so what the thieves are doing? They are pulling the water from the well. Once they were exhausted. Exhausted means when their energy is lost. They are tired. When they were tired, two other took their place. When the first two were tired, now the next two took their place. ठीक है? Now Tenali had made a few channels in his garden for the water to flow to the plant. The water that the thieves drew out of the well began to flood Tenali's garden. See now, because this is the garden. Okay, और garden में क्या करते हैं हम लोग? प्लांट्स होते हैं उनको वाटर करने के लिए, उनको वाटरिंग करने के लिए क्या करते हैं? कुछ चैनल्स बनाते हैं. चैनल्स मीन्स these are the channels. Okay, means narrow lanes. Okay, children, channels means narrow lane dug out in the mud. क्या बना रखी? छोटी छोटी सी नालियाँ बना रखी जिनसे कि वेल से वाटर निकालेंगे और उनके थ्रू क्या होगा? वाटर सारे प्लांट्स तक पहुंच जाएगा. ठीक है, So what Tenali has done, Tenali had made few channels in the garden for the water to flow to the plants. Okay, because these thieves they are drawing water out from the well. So क्या होने लगा, उन नालियों में से water flow करने लग गया. ठीक है. After drawing water from the well for a long time, the thieves become very tired. Now what happened? टू टू करके सारे थीव्स ने क्या किया, वेल का वाटर निकालना स्टार्ट किया. ठीक है. और जैसे जैसे थकते गए वैसे दूसरे और जो थीव्स थे वो अपने उस टास्क को करने लगे. ठीक. तो क्या हो गया, बिकॉज द वेल हैव लॉट ऑफ वाटर, है ना, इसके अंदर बहुत सारा वाटर था. तो सारे जो थीव्स थे वो थक गए. और क्या हो गया, उन्होंने मोस्टली वाटर क्या किया, वेल से निकाला. ठीक है. Then, yet there was no sign of the wooden box because the well was very deep. Okay, well was very deep, so there was no sign of the wooden box. कितना सारा वाटर उन्होंने निकाल लिया, लेकिन फिर भी उनको बॉक्स कहीं भी नहीं दिखाई दिया वो वेल के अंदर. Just then they heard someone say, okay, because they all are very tired. Look here, they all are very tired. ठीक है. कि पूरी टाइम वो पूरी रात क्या करते रहे, वो वेल से वाटर निकालते रहे. और उससे क्या हुआ, सारा वाटर गार्डन में, ये जो चैनल्स बनी हुई है इनके थ्रू सारे गार्डन में फ्लो होने लग गया. बट फिर भी ये इनको वेल के अंदर वो बॉक्स, मनी वाला बॉक्स नहीं दिखाई दिया. ओके. जस्ट देन दे हर्ड समवन सेज. ओके. उसी टाइम पे उन्हें कुछ सुनाई दी आवाज़ें. यस, व्हाट दे हर्ड, दैट्स इनफ बॉयज, you can stop now, all my plants have been watered. See who is here, Tenali. Tenali was watching their movement, you know what they are doing here. Now Tenali says, what the Tenali says, that's enough boys. Okay, you can stop now, all my plants have been watered. हो गया, अब और ज़्यादा वाटर मत निकालो क्योंकि मेरे सारे प्लांट्स को वाटर मिल चुका है. ठीक है. ही वॉज इन अ फनी मूड. यस. द थीव्स वर स्टन्ड मीन्स shocked because they thought that nobody will watch them. But what happened, Tenali was watching them, है ना. तेनाली तो उनको देख रहा था. और what he said, now stop, my all plants have been watered. So all the thieves were shocked कि ये क्या है. When they saw Tenali Rama standing at a corner and laughing at them. Tenali was standing, hiding behind a tree, and he was laughing them. Now all thieves scared and they want to hide themselves. But what happened? They tried to escape, but they were soon caught by the chief of police and his men. The next day, the whole city was talking about how Tenali had put the thieves to work in his garden. See, all सारे थीव्स क्या हो गए, डर गए और क्या सोचने लगी, अब हमें छुप जाना चाहिए. बट they can't because very soon they caught by the chief of police and his men. Okay, तेनाली के साथ वहाँ पे और कौन थे, head of the police and other policemen were also there. Okay, and they caught the thieves. And next day, what news was there in the city? That Tenali had put the thieves to work in his garden. कि तेनाली was so brave और उसने क्या किया, सारे थीव्स से अपने गार्डन में क्या किया, वाटरिंग कराई प्लांट्स को, है ना। सो दिस वॉज द प्लान ऑफ तेनाली, वॉज वेरी क्लेवर। देखो उन्होंने क्या किया, थीव्स को भी कैच कराया और अपनी गार्डन को भी वाटरिंग करा दी, है ना। सो दिस इज द क्लेवरनेस ऑफ तेनाली रामा. ओके, I hope you all have enjoyed this story. Children, now this story is completed. Huh? You have to read the chapter and go through the video. Thank you.